Isn't it amazing? If you could lose your weight faster with one simple drink and skipping your daily exercises, it sounds hard to believe, but there is a way that you can really burn fat and drop pounds truly fast, in a trouble-free way. You can easily make this drink, and it has been shown to help in a small amount of time. If you drink this all the time, just drink 1 glass of this juice before going to bed. You will reduce your fat levels, especially of your belly fat. If you drink it every night, and after waking up, you do some workouts like cardio for about 30 minutes, you will notice results in just 2 or 3 days. It's not special to increase fat while you sleep. Why? Because when you go to sleep, your metabolism slows down a lot. So, how is this happen? Because of the ingredients used in this drink are all established to speed up the metabolism. So when you drink this before going to bed, your metabolism keeps running high. Let's see what's happening in this drink. If you want to reduce stomach fat, choose cucumbers as part of your menu. They are refreshing, high in water content and fiber, and low in calories. Cucumber is a key element in any weight loss plan. One full cucumber contains just 45 calories, making it sexy stomach food. Parsley and cilantro, both are very low in calories. They are full of antioxidants, and offers several vital vitamins and minerals that help to relieve water preservation, without causing the bloat and abdomen pain. Lemon juice is very useful for washing out toxins that gathers in the body. As such, when you drink lemon juice, you will be able to blast off that belly fat. You will also feel a lot better, because the impurities that have built up in your system will be cleaned out. Ginger boosts up the metabolism, melt unwanted belly fat, and prevent constipation. All compounds in ginger work in synergy to prevent overeating and burn belly fat fast. If you really want a flat stomach, make sure you regularly add ginger in your meals. Aloe vera juice is amazingly perfect remedy for weight loss. It contains antioxidants that help to delay the growth of free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation processes, as well as body bloating. This juice stimulates the metabolic rate and reduces the body mass index. Let's make a juice with these ingredients. Here you just needs 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of either cilantro or parsley, 1/2 glass of water. Simply add these ingredients together, blend them, and drink this healthy juice before bed, and you'll wake up feeling lighter and more energetic.